Greetings and welcome to Newzim TV. I am Makanaka Masenyama. Stories making the headlines. Chamisa questions Mnangagwa's silence on Mashurugwi. In the courts, VP Chiwenga made it out of court bid crumbles. In sports, Harrison reveals what attracted him to Highlanders. Now for the news in greater detail. Nelson Chamisa, leader of MDC Alliance, has indirectly fingered his rival, Emmerson Mnangagwa, as the gang leader of market-building terror groups, Mashurugwi. Chamisa questioned Mnangagwa's silence on terror gangs while addressing party supporters at Stoddard Hall in Mbare, Harare Tuesday during his much-awaited State of the Nation Agenda 2020 address.
Mashurugwi anetsa munyika. Asi chiri kutinetsa ndechekuti mapurisa edu nemasoja edu atosvikawo kuti akupinzwawo pakuti anetswa nemashurugwi. Tine mupurisa akarohwa akafa. We have not seen sufficient action kudhila nemaproblems akadai. Tinozviziva kuti mabhemba, the Bemba movement, ine mashops anozikanwa anogadzira mabhemba iwayo. Why are we not acting on those people who are manufacturing those machetes? Why are we not acting on the headquarters? Takambone chipangano, tikawane Al-Shabaab, takamboita border gaze, ike zvinezvi ane Mashurugwi. Why should we continue to have that? Iwe mkoma wangu wakanyarara. Sei wakanyarara, tikaona musha wapera, toza kuti ane chikwambo ndiye akanyarara.
Mashurugwi, especially in gold mining areas, have claimed the lives of hundreds of people across the country. Meanwhile, Chamisa has remained adamant that he will not be part of political actors' dialogue that was initiated by President Emmerson Mnangagwa in May 2018, saying it was a waste of time.
Vambeki vanouya ndakavaona kuna December. Ndavaona vakati ndauyawo muZimbabwe. Tinoziva kuti wewe une rutsigiro rwakapuwa nemaZimbabwe. Saka takaruona tiri kuSouth Africa, mutsindo wembizi wakasvika. Mukurumbira wakasvika, ndikati wakasvikawo. Zvikanzi zvine mutsindo. Ngatinotenda. Saka todi kanzira kuti iwe tinzwa kuti maissues ako ndapi. Wozi mukutadza kuwirana sei naMnangagwa shamwari yako. Ndikati handizive kuti tiri mu1 room ari kurasika papi. Ndakamutina handisi kuda kuti ende kugurumwandira rake rePoland because ndoenda ikoko ndonosangana nevamwe vanotanga taura nyaya dzinangana nebasa rese. Ene unoziva zvipopi zvine tsika yekuda kungoruma mumakumbo. Nyaya isina kuitwa. Saka handindi ikoko.
Still on the MDC, Chamisa said his party is joining future clean-up campaigns initiated by its rival, President Emmerson Mnangagwa, which are done every first Friday of the month.
Muchaona nokuti ane program inonzi MDC in communities. Hatichangomiriri zviya zvokuti zani ndo inoita chete. Takunovaka mabridge, tovakira vanhu dzimba, toenda kuchirikadzi, tonovaka zvikoro. Ndavatiso go! Kwete kuva ne oppositional mindset. Nation building and national development is a collective affair. Saka pamaspaces atiri, MDC must go and show kuti we have a footprint of excellence, a footprint of leadership. Toda kuenda ikoko kumaruwa, tataura kuti kutanga gore rino every month, tisingamboparticipate muzunhu zveNational Cleaning Day. Takuya neinonzi jekesa Zimbabwe, kana kuchenesa Zimbabwe, tsvaira Zimbabwe every month. Musi wakanzi unofanira kunge uchitsvairwa, toungana, totsvaira tichirakidza tisu machinja, shumba yezanu, nhasi tasangana.
In the courts, a bid for an out-of-court settlement between Vice President Constantino Chiwenga and his estranged wife Mary has collapsed after the parties could not reach an agreement on how to settle their messy fallout that has dominated newspaper headlines since December last year. On Tuesday, the two warring parties were back at the High Court, where Mary filed an urgent chamber application recently to be granted access to the couple's 3 minor children, Borrowdale Brook home, luxury vehicles, and personal items. Wilson Manasseh, Chiwenga's lawyer, said Mary's attempts to bring the matter to the High Court was in breach of her bail conditions, which state she should not interfere with state witnesses.
Issues which they brought before the court, they wanted an order of spoliation, which basically covered issues to do with the children and the house where she thought she could reside, but the Honorable Vice President resides there. And there are bail conditions which preclude her to interfere with witnesses, so she cannot do so. And the NPA had already filed an application to amend the bail order of Justice Kwenda, yes, to that effect, to make sure that the two cannot miss. Mind you, there is an attempted murder charge in which the accused was said to have interfered with the life of the Vice President, so they cannot live together. But those are issues which will be discussed. And also there were other issues to do with the property, etc., which also came into it. That was the subject of the legal argument. And I think the advocate addressed that very, very well. That I can tell you. Yes.
In business, Econet subsidiary Cassava SmartTech has bemoaned the re-emergence of the hyperinflation environment, dwindling consumer demand, and the continued erosion of the Zimbabwe dollar. In a recent trading update for the 9 months ended November 30, 2019, the company said the current economic environment is making it difficult for business operations to flow smoothly. Cassava SmartTech joins the list of several companies which have raised complaints over the impact of eroded incomes and sales volumes. We end with sports. Mark Harrison says he was attracted to join Highlanders because of its passionate fans. The British gaffer arrived in the country last week to take his new coaching role at Bosso 6 months after he left Harare City to return to England. His contract with the Bulawayo Giants will last until the end of 2021 season. Reporting for NewZimbabwe.com, I am Makanaka Masenyama. For this and more stories, visit our website www.newzimbabwe.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, NewZim TV.